Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and today this is an RV cooking. We're out camping, and we're in one of our favorite parks called Casey RV Park in Westford, Oregon. Today, I'm going to start a slow cooker recipe. I already have the slow cooker heating up. I'm going to drizzle some oil in. And we have chicken thighs today. They're boneless, skinless. You could use breasts if you like breasts. And today's recipe is a creamy tomato basil chicken recipe. And we're going to salt and pepper the chicken. And we're going to do that on both sides. Okay, let me rinse my fingers. Take some Italian seasoning. And we're just going to sprinkle it all over the chicken. And guys, measure with your heart. Okay? A little extra, a little less is not going to hurt the recipe. Alright. Next, in my bowl here, and I have 2 cans of tomato basil soup. We're going to open those up. And don't mind these 2 ingredients, they're for a different recipe. I happen to pull them out. And we're going to just pour both of these in the bowl. The smell is great. And we're going to take a cup of heavy cream. Pour that in. And yes, Savannah's playing with her toy. And we're going to mix this well together. And heating in the slow cooker, the heavy cream won't break down and curdle if you just put it in there separately. And there's more parts to this recipe, but once the chicken is almost done, we'll bring you back to finish the recipe. We're going to pour this over the chicken. Get the rest of the goodness out. Okay. And we're going to put this on low and slow for 5 hours. Now you could cook this on high for 2 to 3, but I'm doing it low and slow, and we'll see you back in a YouTube minute. Okay guys, dinner's almost done, and we're going to put about a cup of cheese on top. It's going to take about 15 minutes to finish melting, and dinner will be finished. All right, we'll come back when it's melted. Okay guys, dinner is done. It looks delicious. Nice and stringy. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan on top. This is optional. And I have some basil, like in this little container. Just to finish it off. So guys, you can put this over rice, noodles, mashed potatoes, or eat it just like this. And it smells amazing. So this is a different dish on like an Italian, I guess you would say, chicken. But yeah, it's a different recipe, new to me, maybe new to y'all. But thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.